Welcome, everyone. Today we will talk about a very important idea, a way to stop worrying and start enjoying life. Yes, it is possible, and you can begin right now. Worry is like carrying a heavy bag. It makes you tired. It takes away your energy. When you worry, you cannot think clearly. You cannot enjoy simple things. Remember, worry does not solve problems. It only makes life harder. Do not live in the past. The past is gone. Do not fear the future. The future is not here yet. Focus on the present moment. Ask yourself, can I do something about this problem right now? If yes, act. Take one small step. If no, let it go. Release it. Do not try to solve everything at once. Take small steps every day. Small steps are easier. Small steps reduce worry. Small steps lead to action, calm, and progress. Even simple actions like breathing deeply, relaxing, or planning help a lot. Change negative thoughts into positive ones. Instead of thinking, I cannot do this, say, I will do my best. Instead of thinking, I am worried, say, I can stay calm. Positive thinking is like sunlight. It warms the heart, clears the mind, and grows courage. Some things are not in your hands. You cannot control everything. Do not fight the things you cannot change. Focus on what you can control. Your thoughts, your actions, your attitude. This brings peace. This reduces worry. When your mind is active, it cannot worry too much. Do something useful. Do something meaningful. Helping others, learning, or creating something new keeps your mind calm. Busy minds are happy minds. Ask yourself, will this matter in a week, a month, or a year? Many worries are small. Do not give them too much power. Focus on what is important. Focus on what lasts. To conclude, remember this. Life is too short to waste on worry. Stop thinking about what you cannot change. Take small steps. Think positive. Accept what you cannot control. Keep busy and focus on the present. Start living today, not tomorrow, not next week. Breathe now. Smile now. Be happy now. Stop worrying. Start living.